wish that I had found a way, and the reason that would make her stay. I have learned to live life apart from all the rest. So maraming salamat sa pag-drop by, Jasper Franco, at saka yung mga kanina, sila Mila and Supper. Jamming lang po dito. Good evening po. Thank you, Jasper Franco. Thank you. Of each and every song, when you find yourself a message and some words to go your own and take them home. Thank you.